Are you looking for a great express cruiser? Then come with me on this video walk-around tour on this 1997 Sea Ray Sundancer listed at South Mountain Yachts. She's loaded with features. We'll look at all of them, and be sure to watch the full video and subscribe to the SMY YouTube channel for lots of other great boat videos. Here we are, starting off starboard bow. We see we've got the windlass, nice bow pulpit with stainless steel anchor chute to protect it. We also have foot pedals to control the windlass, both from here and from the helm. Coming down along the side, we see we've got a nice large foredeck here. We also have a few sun pads. It's a ladies like it area. Folks love to play and lay out there. Coming down along the side, we see we've got a paddleboard rack here. Yes, there's that golden Sea Ray badge right there. Sea Ray has done an excellent job with an eye towards safety. There's grab rails to access the bow all the way around. We've got nice camper canvas here, so you can use this boat, at least here in Southern California, year-round in comfort. From here, we see the extended swim platform. Looking at the swim platform right there, we see we have a hatch, and under that we have 3-step boarding ladder, so the vessel's easy to access from in the water. Looking over here, we've got trunk storage and also a hot and cold shower so we can rinse off before we get on the boat. We enter the vessel through this port side door. As we enter the cockpit, right along the port side, we see this fold down step so we can easily access the foredeck. To starboard, we have a nice wide circular seating. That there's also another piece that fills in along here so we can increase the size of the seating area and have a large sun pad. To port, we have our wet bar, storage under there, little ice chest right here, and refrigerator right up under there. If you notice, to port, we also have a companion seat right there. This gives us an overview of our cockpit area. Here at the helm, we have a double wide seat for both you and a buddy. Stepping up to the helm, we see we've got our electronics both above and below, VHF radio, chart plotter right there. We have this dual level helm right here. Up above in the line of sight, we have our gauges, and then down below we have all of our rocker switches. We've got the classic burled wood Sea Ray steering, throttles on the right, shift on the left. We also have a nice little power vent window, and this would be the view from the helm. Let's go inside. We enter the cabin through this sliding door and down a few steps. One thing we immediately notice as we enter, we have an upgraded teak and holly floor, custom wood dinette table, and wood accents. Right as we enter, we've got the head, which is easily accessible amidships from either the inside of the cabin or people from the outside. It's fully lined, fiberglass, easy to care for, easy to clean. That's an RV style shower. Moving forward, we see our galley area has Good amount of counter space. We've got a new refrigerator here. Dual burner glass top stove and lots of storage both above and below right there. Easily accessible is our power panel right here, which has both our AC, DC, shore power, and ignition switch. We can also start the generator right from here. Notice the cabin is bright. We've got multiple overhead hatches. As we move forward now, we have storage here. This cabinet was originally for the old style TV. We now have a flat screen in there. Hanging locker, more storage, a nice little vanity area right there. Our V berth is double wide and measures almost 7 feet from tip to tip on the diagonal. There's gunnel storage there, nicely padded. We also have another hanging locker. Nice little jump seat there. So before we get in bed, it's easy to sit and do what we have to. Circling around in the dinette area, again, more port lights, gunnel storage in those cabinets there, an ultra leather sofa. This also pulls out, extends out for yet another sleeping area. There's storage underneath there, storage underneath the raised platform there. Notice we've got the custom wooden stairs also. As we move back, let's point out we have central vac. Now here there's normally a curtain. We have it down, makes the boat appear a little bit bigger and open, but if we were sleeping, we'd want some privacy. Looking aft, we've got a mid-cabin back there. And as you notice, those are the sun pads to fill in back there. These pieces extend, and this area becomes a full beam bed. Again, tall enough, long enough for a 6-footer. And Dolphin is well cared for, neat, clean, odor-free. There's lots of updates and upgrades. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts. Engine access is nice and easy. Make sure the door is closed. Just hit the button. You do not even have to move the table. Here in the engine compartment, we see the twin 454 Merc Cruiser engines, without the flame arresters. Off to one side, we have our Westerbeek generator with about 400 hours on it. We have the hydraulic lift, lots of nice new hoses, distributor right there. And then off on this side, we have our vacuum flush tank and our water tank right there. Rudder posts in the back. And when finished with our inspection, with the touch of a button, just drop the hatch.